See, this is a 9th standard arts challenging question based on the lesson lines and angle. The question is that in triangle ABC, you are given that AL bisects angle BAC and you have to justify choice angle ALC. This choice angle ALC is equal to ABC plus ACD. This is angle ABC and ACD is the exterior angle. The question is that in triangle ABC, ACD is exterior angle and AL bisects angle BAC. We have to prove choice ALC is equal to ABC plus ACD. So what's given to you? That angle ACD is exterior angle of triangle ABC, and one more data, AL bisects angle BAC. AL bisects angle BAC. We have to justify or prove that choice angle ALC is equal to angle ABC plus angle ACD. You are given AL bisects and we have to use choice angle ALC. This angle ALC we have to take choice. And the relationship of ALC we have to justify with ABC, with this angle, and ACD, that means it is an exterior angle. So hopefully we must learn remote interior angle theorem, which says that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. The question we shall solve with the help of property, measure of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. Okay, only one property and nothing else. Also, AL bisects angle BAC. Also, this angle A, that means this BAL, CAL or BAC, we don't see in the question. So this means we have to replace these angles BAL, CAL or BAC. Since AL is bisector, whenever there is bisector, I always solve questions by taking the value as x. Why? Because this BAL, CAL and BAC are not in the question required. So if I take x, it becomes very easy to eliminate these angles whenever they appear. So we shall take the help of exterior angle theorem. But before that, we shall start with bisector. You know, AL bisects angle BAC. We shall write AL bisects angle BAC. This is given to us, and therefore what do we have? BAL is equal to CAL. So I am saying therefore angle BAL is equal to angle CAL, and I am taking them as x. Let this angle BAL and this angle CAL, both of them are x each, isn't it? BAL is equal to CAL. Now we shall move to the exterior angle. Since we have to look at ALC, ALC is exterior angle of which triangle? You can see angle ALC is exterior angle of triangle ABL. So we shall use it. Angle ALC is exterior angle of triangle ABL. So what does exterior angle theorem tells us? That measure of this exterior angle is equal to sum of its remote interior angles. So which are the remote interior angles of ALC? The remote interior angles are this x and this angle B. This x and B are the remote interior angles for exterior angle ALC. So ALC is equal to x plus angle B. Angle x plus angle B. This is number 1. This is angle B. Now again, since it is twice ALC, somehow I have one more ALC must appear, and here is now ACD. We know that ACD is also exterior angle. This ACD is exterior angle of triangle ABC, as well as I can also say that angle ACD is exterior angle of triangle ALC. I shall prefer ALC because I will get ALC if I take triangle ALC. If I take ABC, it will be difficult for me to go to the ALC. So I will say angle ACD is exterior angle of triangle ALC. Angle ACD is exterior angle of triangle ALC. So this exterior angle ACD is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. Which are the remote interior angles in triangle ALC? X and ALC. So angle ACD is equal to x plus angle ALC is equal to x plus angle ALC. However, we can see that we need to add ALC plus ALC so that I get twice LC. So what do? I convert this statement in such a way that I get ALC is equal to. For that, I will carry x to this side. Here, I have written that angle ACD is exterior angle of triangle ALC. Therefore, this angle ACD is equal to x plus ALC. So what do I write? X plus angle ALC is equal to the exterior angle ACD. Since in the question I need ALC 2 times, I will carry x to other side. I will get angle ALC is equal to angle ACD minus x. I am calling it as number 2. You can guess easily that since we have twice LC, I can add ALC plus ALC to get twice LC. I will add statement 1 and 2. What do I get? Angle ALC plus angle ALC. What is here in RHS? X plus angle B. And what's here? ALC is equal to angle ACD minus x. Angle ACD minus x from 1 and 2. Now it's very simple. X and x get cancelled and we get the direct result. ALC plus ALC is twice angle ALC is equal to angle B plus angle ACD. What is this angle B? This angle B I can write as angle ABC. So twice angle ALC is equal to angle ABC plus angle ACD. So simply we are using exterior angle theorem. How to proceed for the question? Whenever bisector is given, generally x and x helps us a lot. Also, since these angles are not seen in the question statement, it becomes easier to eliminate x. We are using exterior angle theorem 2 times. Angle ALC is equal to x plus b, and second time we are taking ACD is equal to x plus ALC. And since I have to add ALC 2 times, both times I have to convert both the statements into ALC is equal to and ALC is equal to. Simple addition gives the result. This is the easiest way for solving this simple question. Thank you.